that food box.
Where?
I've hit record. So she's going right down here.
Down here. Where the heck you going to? Get the food box. I'm going to Gay.
You know where the she's going to Gay Lights, but you gotta be a resident of Gay Lights.
Yeah, I'm recording this on YouTube. I am.
You know where the vet is going past?
You know where it's at, hey? The bread store. The old bread store.
Yep. No, it's the old bread store back there. They give out a lot of food if you guys do it.
They do it Thursday.
Yep. Leave them alone.
Oh, that cracked you good, didn't it?
No, I didn't. Bar fish is where it sounds like that.
Come on. What you doing? Whoa. Said he wants something, that joint? Alright, Jack. Right here, he was messing with her.
Quit pissing on people, yo.
This dog pisses on everybody.
You don't know what the hell to do.
He's an old fucking dog. Same video where he freaking done that damn fingernail polish shit.
He's a perfect little boy. Yes, he is.
And this dog just likes to freaking jump on people. I can't do anything.
We're outside.
Woo!
Oh goodness. Down.
There
you go, Cole.
I'm recording a YouTube video. It's based on dogs. So yeah.
Alright, Carl. It's not.
They just want to play with each other and shit and do that shit. Look at this.
Jack.
One part to you,
I'm trying.
That's because you got it this way. That's why it won't film nothing. Because you got it looking at you, and then take it out there and put it like that.
Yeah. I don't think yours has a camera on the outside.
He's gonna get hurt. He's tangled up
No,
in that
yours
rope.
don't have a camera on it. Look.
Oh no,
I need to go get a...
He's okay. He's out of it.
I can't. Okay. This dog really just likes people. Watch that shit. Cat's crazy. Watch this shit. Watch this shit.